65 million years ago, Earth witnessed the climax of a thrilling saga. Gigantic creatures known as dinosaurs roamed our planet. Masters of all they surveyed. These majestic beasts dominated land, sea, and sky, but then almost out of thin air, they vanished. How did these behemoths disappear so suddenly? Let's dive into the incredible theories behind what really happened to the dinosaurs. For over 160 million years, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. From the fierce T-Rex to the gargantuan Brachiosaurus, these creatures adapted, evolved, and thrived. Yet like a grand play, the curtain had to come down eventually. But why? Could it have been a sudden event, or a slow process that we've missed? The clues lie deep beneath our feet. Before we take a look at the darker theories behind what happened to the dinosaurs, let's look at the obvious suspect first. Imagine this. A colossal rock from space, larger than Mount Everest, hurling towards Earth at breakneck speed. As it smashes into the planet, an explosion equivalent to billions of atomic bombs explodes. Forest fires rage, tsunamis flood coastlines, and the sky becomes an oven. This is the asteroid impact theory. Most scientists believe that this impact, which created the Chicxulub crater in Mexico, played a significant role in the dinosaurs' demise. The fallout from such a catastrophe would have blocked out sunlight, leading to a nuclear winter effect and disrupting the food chain. The asteroid impact threw enormous amounts of debris, dust, and soot into the atmosphere. With sunlight blocked, photosynthesis became near impossible for plants. This dark, chilling period resembling a nuclear winter could have lasted for months or even years. Temperatures plummeted, and food chains, starting from the very smallest plants and animals, began to crumble. No sun, no plants. But what does this mean for the vast array of creatures dependent on them? With the primary producers, plants, in decline, herbivorous dinosaurs faced starvation. This, in turn, affected the carnivores that preyed on them. The very fabric of the food chain, a delicate balance refined over millions of years, was unraveling rapidly. It wasn't just the immediate blast that was fatal, and the draw-out aftermath that proved to be the real killer. And as if the terrestrial turmoil wasn't enough, there were ripple effects beneath the waves too. The oceans weren't spared either. Acid rain caused by the release of sulfur from the impact would have made the oceans more acidic, posing a threat to marine life, especially to creatures with calcium carbonate shells. Without these primary ocean producers and consumers, marine food chains also faced disruption. A world in turmoil, both land and sea under siege. But was this catastrophic event the sole architect of the dinosaurs' downfall? An asteroid might sound like a clear-cut answer, but Earth had more tricks up its sleeve, and some of them were happening from deep within its core. Far away from the impact site, in what's now India, the ground cracked and spewed. Massive volcanic eruptions known as the Deccan Traps bleached poisonous gas and ash into the atmosphere for thousands of years. This would have wreaked havoc on the climate, acidifying the oceans and making it difficult for many species to survive. Could this drawn-out event have worked in tandem with the asteroid strike, double-teaming the dinosaurs into oblivion? The plot thickens, doesn't it? But Mother Nature isn't done yet. She had another card to play, and it's something you might not expect. Not all threats come with a bang. Some creep up silently. As our planet evolved, so did its climate. Over time, slow shifts in temperature and sea levels, along with changing food sources, could have stressed the dinosaurs' ecosystem. This wouldn't result in an overnight disappearance, but could make the landscape increasingly hostile for these giants. So amidst the drama of asteroids and volcanoes, could this silent transformation be the unsung villain? But wait, could there be another culprit lurking in the shadows? One that the dinosaurs never saw coming? Among the towering dinosaurs, small mammals scurried in the shadows, often overlooked but always observing. As the environment changed, these mammals, being more adaptable, began to exploit new niches. They could have competed with juvenile dinosaurs for food, indirectly pressuring the behemoths. As the dinosaurs waned, the mammals waited for their moment to rise, and when the time came, they took over. As the pieces of the puzzle come together, are we ready to pass a final verdict? Piecing together Earth's ancient mysteries is no easy task. it's likely that no single event was solely responsible for the demise of the dinosaurs. Instead, a lethal cocktail of catastrophes, both swift and gradual, sealed their fate. The asteroid provided a swift blow, the volcanoes and climate shifts twisted the knife, and the rise of mammals might have been the final nail in the coffin. The story of the dinosaurs is not just a tale of their end, but a testament to nature's unpredictability and resilience.